Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. What would you use when the real cat won't cuddle with you? Well, thanks to CRIMMY, I have this adorable heating pad that is shaped like a cat, and I love using it. The cat itself is about 17 inches long, so it's a pretty good size. It would be great to use if you're having some cramps or even around your neck, and it's so squishy and soft. Thanks to the heating pad element, it heats up super fast. So it comes with a cord and you can adjust the setting as needed. It heats up really quickly. The cat has a detachable cord that will detach from the heating pad cord, so you can tuck that in and you can just use it as a cozy, fun, warm stuffed animal. The stuffed animal itself is made of a really soft, very comfy fabric. It's nice and squishy throughout the whole cat. And I just think that is the most adorable thing. I've had heating pads in the past, but never with the shape of an animal like this. And it's just so cute. My daughter wanted one of these because she started getting some cramps, and we know that is not fun for young girls. So what better way than to surprise them with a cute, fun stuffed animal that will help them on those difficult days. If you are ready to cuddle with my little pal here, then you need to get one of these for yourself. You will love using it, and that's just my point of view.